Module 7, Lesson 8's objective is to solve word problems involving the total value of a group of bills. Mr. Chang has 4 $10 bills, 3 $5 bills, and 6 $1 bills. How much money does he have in all? Let's underline the important details in item 1. 4 $10 bills, 3 $5 bills, 6 $1 bills. I'll highlight the question, how much money does he have in all, to remind me to answer the question. In order to figure out how much money he has in all, I'll go ahead and draw a picture to help me solve this problem. First, I'll draw 4 $10 bills. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll put a 10 inside of each one of them. Now I'll draw 3 $5 bills. 1, 2, 3. And I'll put a 5 inside of each one. Finally, I'll draw 6 $1 bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'll put a 1 inside of each one. Now let's figure out how much money Mr. Chang has in $10 bills. 10, 20, 30, 40. He has $40 in tens. Let's see how much money he has in fives. 5, 10, 15. He has $15 in fives. And let's see how much he has in ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He has $6 in ones. If I was drawing a number bond, it would look like this. The total that Mr. Chang has one part that's equal to $40, another part that's equal to $15, and a third part that's equal to $6. In order to figure out the whole total, I could add them together. 40 plus 15 plus 6. I like to circle tens, so let me pull a 10 out of 15. 15 is the same as 10 plus 5. So here's a 10, and here's another one. 40 and 10 more make 50. And if I have 5, I need 5 more to make a 10. 5 plus 1 is 6. So here's another 10, so that's 50 plus that other 10, plus 1. So 50 plus 10 is 60, and then plus the additional 1 makes 61. In this case, it's $61. Let's answer this in a sentence. Mr. Chang has $61 in all. So if we're looking at the number bond, the question mark, the unknown amount, that would be the total that Mr. Chang has. In this case, the total is $61. Now let's look at item 2. At her yard sale, Danielle got 1 $20 bill and 5 $1 bills last week. This week she got 3 $10 bills and 3 $5 bills. What is the total amount she got for both weeks? Let's go ahead and underline the important details. 1 $20 bill and 5 $1 bills last week. And this week she got 3 $10 bills and 3 $5 bills. The question is, what is the total amount she got for both weeks? First, let's figure out how much she got last week. I'll label that with the word last. Last week she got one $20 bill. I know that's worth $20, so I'll just write that now. And 5 $1 bills. Well, 5 $1 bills is the same thing as $5. I'll write that down. So 20 plus 5 is 25. Now, let's see how much money she got this week. I'll label it like this week. She got 3 $10 bills. 3 $10 bills is the same as $30. And she got 3 $5 bills. That's 5, 10, 15. $15. If I pull out the 10, I have 30 plus this 10, that makes 40, plus the 5, and that equals $45. In order to figure out the total she got for both weeks, I better add those two amounts together. $25 for last week plus $45 for this week equals the total. So 25 plus 45. Let's see, that's the same as 20 and 5. And in this case, 45 is 40 and 5. I'll circle the tens. 20 and 40 is 60 plus 5 and 5 is 10. So 60 plus 10 equals 70. She got $70. Now what we need to do is answer the question in a sentence. What is the total amount she got for both weeks? Danielle got $70 for both weeks. Item 3 says, Patrick has 2 fewer $10 bills than Brenna. Patrick has $64. How much money does Brenna have? I'm going to underline the important details on this one. 2 fewer $10 bills than Brenna. Patrick has $64. I'll highlight the question. How much money does Brenna have? Well, we know that Patrick has $64. And Brenna has more money than Patrick. So we have to take the $64 that Patrick has and give her 2 more $10 bills because Patrick has 2 fewer $10 bills. That means Brenna has 2 more $10 bills. So we'll give her a 10 and another 10. If I were decomposing, I would have a 60 plus a 4. And then I would circle my tens. So that 60 plus 10 is 70, plus 10 more is 80. And then don't forget those ones, 80 plus 4. The answer to that is the amount of money that Brenna has. So how much money does Brenna have? Brenna has blank dollars. All right, fill in the blanks and you'll be done.